Squeeze the little tabs to remove the wiper. Gently disconnect the washer hose. Slide the pinch tab arm into the fitting. Squeeze the tabs to lock the wiper in place. Reconnect the water supply. Insert the hose back into the bracket.